Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create these images in ChatGPT for free. Okay, you do not require any subscription of ChatGPT. You can use easily create all these images for free. Okay, so first I'm going to show you this action figure. Okay, action figure image, how to create that image. So I have created use this image to create this image. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just simply write uh, this prompt. Okay, so you have to upload your photo, then you have to write this prompt here. So the prompt is: use this image to create a picture of an action figure toy of construction worker in a blister package from head to toe with accessories. Okay, and including a hammer, staple. So what you have to do, you have to just upload a file, okay, from your computer, or if you connected Google Drive, you can use that also. Now you have to search the image and then click on it and click on open. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to paste the prompt. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this prompt, use this image to create a handyman. Okay, like this, and just click on okay. Now here at the end you will see Kirk the handyman. You can just change the name. Okay, from here you can change it to your name, or okay, so choose the name. Okay, then you will see the image will be created like this. So you have to wait for few seconds and it will create the image. Okay, so like this, you can also change the shirt color, pant color if you want. So like this you can create action figure in ChatGPT.